The drive reduction theory of motivation is given by A. Hull, B. Freud, C. Maslow, D. Kaplan. The correct answer is A. Hull. The drive reduction theory of motivation is given by Hull. The hierarchy of needs theory is given by Hull, Freud, Maslow, Kaplan. The correct answer is Maslow. The hierarchy of needs theory is given by Maslow. Vomiting or taking a laxatives to avoid gaining weight is called A. Behavioral dieting, B. Fad dieting, C. Purging, D. Bulimia nervosa. The correct answer is C. Purging. According to the Cannon-Bard theory, A. A thalamus plays a central role in producing emotions. B. The cerebellum must given the go ahead for emotion. C. Activity in occipital and partial lobes happens simultaneously to produce emotions. D. The sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system work incorrect. So, correct answer is A. The thalamus plays a central role in producing emotions. According to Cannon-Bard theory, thalamus plays a central role in producing emotions. People from different cultures can recognize which facial expressions? A. Fear, B. Anger, C. Disgust, D. All of these. The correct answer is all of these. If the lateral hypothalamus is destroyed, a rat will drink more water than biologically needed. B. Refuse to drink until forced to do so. C. Eat until it becomes obese. D. Refuse to eat until forced fit. The correct answer is D. If the ventromedial hypothalamus is destroyed, a rat will A. Eat until it becomes obese. B. Refuse to eat until forced to do so. C. Drink excessively. D. Refuse to drink until forced to do so. The correct answer is A. Eat until it becomes obese. Intrinsic motivation occurs when A. Obligations or approval are factors. B. There is no obvious external reward for one's behavior. C. There are obvious external factors controlling behavior. D. Extrinsic motivation is also high. The correct answer is B. There is no obvious external reward for one's behavior. Intrinsic motivation occurs when there is no obvious external reward for one's behavior. The hypothalamus has dash hunger centers. A. No control over. B. Total control over. C. The most direct control over. D. 1. The correct answer is C. The most direct control over. The hypothalamus has the most direct control over hunger centers. Push is to pull as dash is to dash. A. Incentive, drive, response, need, episodic, cyclic, drive, incentives. The correct answer is D. Drive, incentives. Push is to pull as like, drive is to incentive. Unlearned behavior. Unlearned biological motives necessary for survival are termed as primary motives, secondary motives, drive, stimulus motives. The correct answer is B. A. Primary motives. Unlearned biological motives necessary for survival are termed like primary motives. Which theory of emotion holds the view that bodily change precedes emotions and that we experience an emotions after our body reacts? A. The common sense theory. B. The Cannon-Bard theory. C. Attribution theory. D. The James Lange theory. The correct answer is James Lange theory. In hunger, a set point is dash. Similar to a body thermostat for blood sugar, the weight you maintain when you attempt to die, related to the proportion of body fat your body normally maintains, determined by adult eating habits. The correct answer is C. Related to the proportion of body fat your body normally maintains. In hunger, a set point is related to the proportion of body fat your body normally maintains. What is the correct order of needs in Maslow hierarchy? The correct answer is physiological, safety, love and belonging, esteem and self-actualization. According to Maslow theory, the basic needs includes dash. Physiological needs, safety and security, safety, love and belonging. Physiological needs and belonging, security and esteem. The correct answer is physiological needs, safety and security. Which theory holds that we are afraid because we run or are angry because we strike? A. Attribution. B. James Lange. C. Cannon-Bard. C. D. Cognitive. The correct answer is James Lange. According to James Lange theory, we are afraid because we run or angry because we strike. At the top of Maslow hierarchy of motives are love and belonging, self-esteem and esteem, self-actualization, safety and security. The correct answer is self-actualization. At the top of Maslow hierarchy of motives are self-actualization. Which theory claims that emotions are organized in the brain and the emotional feelings and bodily expressions occur simultaneously? A. The common sense theory. B. Cannon-Bard theory. C. Attribution theory. D. The James Lange theory. The correct answer is B. The Cannon-Bard theory. According to Cannon-Bard, emotions are organized in the brain and emotional feelings and bodily expressions occur same time.